6 kilos.
Red rope.
Yeah.
Red rope. Okay. Harness check.
Let's check.
Bricks. Yeah, brake check. Cleat check. Shock.
Some check.
Carabiners check. Carabiner check.
Carabiner check.
Leg harness. Leg strap check.
Check.
Tighten. It's freedom. Okay. Ground clear.
A jump to freedom, sir.
Ground clear.
Okay, Arok.
Okay.
I will bring you at the edge, okay?
Okay.
Half or your feet should be outside, okay? After that, stand straight, open your arm, and then I will count 3, 2, 1, just leave, okay?
And you jump.
Yeah. So we count 3, 2, 1, bungee, and then you just go forward.
Okay.
Yeah. And you scream as much as you can. No problem.
Yeah. Should be like this, yeah.
Guys, ready?
Yeah, stand straight. Open your arm. Yeah, are you ready?
I'm ready. This jump is for the freedom
Abyan?
and the strength.
3, 2, 1, Bungjee!
Where are you, man? We can't see you.
Nothing crazy. Just strong. Come on.
Good job.
Open your eyes and feel the freedom. Feel it. Come on, man. Come on, strong. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes.
Well done.
Thanks. Yes. Oh.
Arup, I'm releasing you down slowly, yeah?
Yeah.
Acha, you're not pulling him up.
Come on.
Put your arm straight.
Yeah, straight. Don't keep at a hand position like that.
Okay.
Throw.
3, 2, 1, Bungjee!
Well done. Well done, John.